Hi there, I'm Susie Bridges and I'm a CELTA trainer, and I'm working with gallery teachers to give you a masterclass on Beyond the Gap Fill. So providing controlled practice to your learners in more interesting, meaningful, memorable ways than just the usual standard gap fill. So the workshop's going to look at the aims behind a gap fill and why it is important that the students get these aims fulfilled, but it's also going to introduce you to a couple of different ways for you to create your own alternative controlled practice tasks that are maybe a little bit more interesting, a little bit more memorable, and a little bit more entertaining than a typical gap fill could be. We need to make sure that students are provided with some decent controlled practice, sometimes called restricted practice, before they move into doing the freer practice or fluency-based tasks. So this workshop hopefully will equip you with a number of different ways to move beyond the gap fill and into some interesting ways of doing practice activities, whether it's online or face-to-face.